has been an incredible add-on for us and is extremely popular. Even the installation is made completely simple with aircraft cable. We give it with a package, 2 tensioners. You tension those cables, clicks right onto it, and throw it into a washing machine, wash it for cleanliness, put it right back on the line, hit the switch, and you're ready to go.
We are able to get all of those things in one complete package that easily ships. It weighs, less than 10 pounds. It's quickly set up. It is fully engineered, so we're taking into account static pressures, and at the end of the day, you have a product that's going to hold up for all the harshest environments. Air conditioning and environmental control in general, airflow is such a huge part of that. Once we brought out our fabric duct, we saw our technical support specifically for airflow issues completely drop off.
Laser cut holes to ensure that we have even airflow. We can unzip the end caps, so it allows us to add on a secondary length of fabric duct without losing our overall airflow. All of our customers are completely thrilled with the ability of having that consistency day in and day out to allow them to keep getting better at what they do.